up, Glam family? Welcome back to another video. So if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and make sure you like this video and leave a comment. Let's get into the video. To start off, using Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil in dark brown, and I also concealed my brows with the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer in tan sand. So we're going to be using the Magic Mini by Juvias and these are the colors. And so I'm just going to take this shade called Iffy or Iffy. I don't know how to pronounce these names, but yeah, we're just going to go in with this color. It's like a blue purple, like an indigo. So I'm going to try my best to get as much pigment on my eyelid as I can, but you just want to do a patting motion with this color. If you have like a fluffy can't talk. If you have a fluffy brush, go ahead and use that, but this is a brush that I had, so go ahead and pack this color on, and this is just going to be that first shade that we put on our eyelid. So next I'm taking this Kissy color. It's like a tan shade, and we're gonna put that above the purple shadow or the indigo color. And then I'm gonna take this color called Nana, and it's almost like it's darker than the tan shade. It's like a brown orange. So we're just gonna take those two colors and make it a transition color. That way it can be more seamless and it's not so harsh. So yeah, just keep watching me, and then I'm gonna come back to fill y'all in on what else I'm doing. So now I'm taking the same brush with the indigo shade, and I'm just gonna pack on some more color because using those two brown shades did kind of take away the color. So I'm just building up the color a little bit more. So taking that e.l.f. camo concealer, I'm just putting some on my eyelids. That way the shimmer color can stick a little bit better than just putting it on by itself. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. And this is not a cut crease, it's just putting concealer on your eyelid to get the shimmer color to be more poppin'. Okay, and this shade is called Faso, and it's a really cute purple shimmer color. It's got some blue shimmers in it, I feel like, but this color is really cute, and I thought it would go perfect with this eye color. So yeah, we're just gonna take like a flat brush and distribute it all over that concealer. lashes on, boom, onto the face. So the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Fix Face Primer is what I'm using on my face before I put on any foundation, concealer, and all that jazz. And the foundation is NARS in the shade Caracas. And I'm just going to put that on my face, and you guys already know what to do. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling and you guys just enjoy the rest of the video and the little music. And I thank y'all so much for watching. It really, it makes my day when you guys watch my videos, because it just lets me know that people are actually watching and they like what I do, because I like playing in makeup, as y'all know. But yeah, keep watching. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications, so you know when I post my next video, and just to stay notified with any uploads. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all once we get to the end of the video. Okay, real quick, this is Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, and it was in the shade C15, I believe. I just got this shade to contour with. I didn't use it on my nose, the bridge of my nose. I just used powder to contour. So yeah, I just wanted to pop in and say that. Also, this shade is Tea and Cookies by NYX. It was kind of hard to focus in the video. And this is the finished look, you guys. I really love this outcome. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and a purple heart in the comments, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.